Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. In the previous class, I taught you what is direct proportion. So, what is direct proportion? If one quantity increases, the other quantity also increases. If one quantity decreases, the other quantity also decreases. So, the ratio of increase will be constant. Now, we are going to do the sums based on direct proportion. Let us read the question now. A postman can sort out 738 letters in 6 hours. How many letters can be sorted in 9 hours? So, here what all given? Time is given and also number of letters sorted out by the postman. So, here we have to write two headings. One is number of letters, another one is time. So, time, another one is number of letters. Now, time is given in hours. So, in the first line it is given in 6 hours. How many letters are sorted out? 738 letters. So, that should be written in the first line. So, 6 hours. In 6 hours, 738 letters. So, in this letters, this quantity we can write it as y and this one is x. Next, we have to find out how many letters can be sorted in 9 hours. So, this 9 hours is the time. So, that should be written in x column. And the number of letters we have to find out. So, we can write any constant as k. Now, we have to compare now. The time increases or decreases. From 6, time is increased to 9. I told you for increases we have to use up arrow. For decreases we have to use down arrow. So, number of letters. So, if time increases, number of letters sorted out also increases. So, if time increases, we can use like this, up arrow, number of letters sorted out also increases. So, this is what proportion now? This is direct proportion. In direct proportion, what is constant? Ratio is constant. Ratio, how we represented? X by y. So, that is x by y equal to constant. Now, we have to write the numbers what is given. In x we have 6 and y we have 738. So, 6 by 738 is equal to, now come to second line, x is 9 and y we are having as k now. So, 9 by k. Here k represent number of letters, we can use any constant. Next we have to cross multiply. To find out the value of k, we are going to cross multiply now. So, here 6 into k is equal to 9 into 738. So, 6 into k is equal to 9 into 738. We have to find out only k. So, we have to take this constant to the right side. So, in multiplication we have. So, when we transpose it will come to division. So, k is equal to the 6 we are going to take to this side. So, it will come to the denominator. So, 9 into 738 divided by 6. Now, we can cancel. Divisibility rule, just you can check. For divisibility rule, even last digit should be even number. And next for 3, sum of the digits is should be divisible by 3. So 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. It is divisible by 3 table. So 1, 6 is 6. Here 1, 6 is 6. Balance 1. 1 and 3, 13. 2, 6 are 12. Balance 1, 18. 6 3s are 18. Now we should multiply 123 into 9. So 3 9s are 27. Balance 2. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Again balance 2. 1 9 is 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So K is equal to 1107. That means how many letters are sorted out in 9 hours? Number of letters sorted out in 9 hours is equal to 1107. Now we shall do the next sum. Now second sum is Tamarai pays rupees 7,500 as rent for 3 months. With the same rate how much does she have to pay for 1 year? So Tamarai, read the question one more time. Tamarai pays rupees 7,500 as rent for 3 months. So for 3 months she is paying rupees 7,500. With the same rate we have to find out how much does she have to pay for 1 year. So here number of months is given and also rent is given in rupees. So what are the two headings we should write? One is number of months, another one is amount. So number of months, another one is rent. Rent it is given in rupees. So first it is given for 3 months she is paying rupees 7,500. So for 3 months, here we have to write only the amount, rupees we have to write only on the top. Next we have to find out for 1 year. So 1 year actually here it is given in months. So 1 year should be changed into months here. So 12 months. We have to find out the rent. It is not given. We can take any number, any letter as constant. We can keep it as A now. So this quantity we have to keep it as X and this quantity we have to keep it as Y. Now number of months increases or decreases from 3, it has come to 12. So that means number of months increases. So if the number of months increases, rent also will increase or decrease, rent will increase. So if one quantity increases, other quantity also increases. So this is direct proportion. So if number of months increases up arrow, rent also increases. So this is direct proportion. In direct proportion, which is constant? Ratio of two quantities is constant. That is x by y equal to constant. So what is x here? X is the first number, that is 3, divided by y is 7500 is equal to, in second line we are having 12 divided by y is a. Next step is we have to cross multiply. So 3 into a is equal to 12 into 7500. So 3 into a is equal to 12 into 7500. We have to find out what? A. So we should take this constant to the right hand side. This 3 is in multiplication. When you take to the right hand side, it has come as division. So a is equal to 12 into 7500 divided by 3. So this 3 we are taking to the right hand side. It will come to the denominator. Now 3 and 12 we can cancel by 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. Now 7500 into 4. 0 into 4 0. 0 into 4 0. 5 4s are 20. Balance 2. 7 4s are 28 plus 2 30. So A is equal to 30,000. That is rent for 12 months. Rent for 12 months is equal to rupees 30,000. Now this sum we can also do by unitary method. What is unitary method? We have to find out for 1 month, and next we have to find out for the required number of months. Now rent for what is given? Rent for 3 months is given. So rent for 3 months is equal to 7,500. From 3 we have to find out for 1 month. So for 1 month usually what we will do? We will divide. So 7,500 divided by 3. We can cancel. So 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. Balance 1. 15. 5 3s are 15. 0 0. So rent for 1 month is rupees 2,500. How did you find out the rent for 1 month? Because it is given for 3. To find out for 1, we have to divide. Now for required number of months, for how many months we should find out? For 12 months. Now rent for 12 months. What we have to do now? For 1 month we know it is 2,500. For 12 months we have to multiply this 2,500 into 12. Into 12. So 2,500 into 12. If you know 12 table directly you can multiply, or we have to do in 2 steps. So 2 into 0 0, 2 into 0 0, 5 2s are 10, balance 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. Next multiply by 1, so 0 0 5 2. Now we should add 0 0 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 1 plus 2 3. So now here for 12 months answer is rupees 30,000. So you can do by proportion method. Even if you do the same sum by unitary method, we get the same answer. So what is unitary method? This already you have studied in 6th standard. What is given from that we have to find out for 1 unit by dividing. Then for what they are asking for that you should multiply and find out. Suppose if cost of 10 pence is rupees 100. You want to find out for 5 pence means using unitary method, how you have to do? From 10 pence 100 we have to find out for 1 pen. How will you find out from 10 to 1? We have to divide. So 100 divided by 10, 0 will get cancelled. 10 by 1 is 10. Now for how many pence we should find out? 5 pence we should find out. We know the answer for 1 pen. To find out for 5 pence we should multiply. So 5 into 10. That becomes 50. Hope you would have understood all the sums in direct proportion and also unitary method. Thank you, children.